Thinking about launching a site or adding another one to your hosting plan? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to add a domain to your Hostgator hosting account in 2025, step by step, without any confusion. First, open your browser and head over to hostgator.com. Once the page loads, look to the top right and click Sign In. Enter the email and password you used when you registered, and you'll land on your Hostgator dashboard. From the dashboard, make sure you're on the home section. Look for the website option and select it. This takes you to the area where domains and sites are managed. Now, find the button that says Add a Domain and click it. Here you'll see two choices. Add an existing domain you already own. Buy a new domain directly from Hostgator. If you've already purchased a domain elsewhere, just choose the existing domain option and follow the prompts to connect it. But if you're starting fresh, click Buy a Domain. You'll now see a search bar where you can look up the name you want. Type in your desired domain and check if it's available. HostGator will show you the price depending on the extension, like .com, .net, or .org. Once you choose the domain, complete the purchase, and HostGator will automatically link it to your hosting plan. If you run into anything unexpected during setup, their support team is quick to help, so you're never stuck for long. And that's it. You've successfully added a domain to your HostGator hosting in just a few minutes. Now you're ready to build your website and take your online presence to the next level. If this walkthrough made things easier for you, hit subscribe and stick around for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.